Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. If you guys have been around for a while, you know that Riley is here and we are having a good time, but at the same time, we have some craziness that we would like to do. Now you guys have expressed that you'd like to see some of the things that we're doing when we're not traveling, and you just enjoy kind of watching like what Riley and I randomly do. So we decided to include you on something kind of fun that we're doing tonight. Riley and I are really big football fans. I have been a football fan since I was a kiddo. Riley has discovered football more recently, and in doing so, she's become obsessed. In fact, I've always yelled at the TV. I'm one of those people. Riley has become that person. So I thought since she's here while there's football on, that we could sit down and watch some games. So all day she's kind of been keeping us updated on what's going on throughout the entirety of football land. But tonight we're gonna sit down, and I thought since we're doing football, we needed some snacks. So tonight we're gonna be making something kind of fun, and you guys are gonna come along with me. I like to share my little recipes that can be adapted for the road. You can cook these in your house, you can do whatever. So today we're gonna be making some meatball sandwiches that are gonna be yummy, yummy. But I have to put these things together first. I got a bunch of cool decor because I love a good theme night. Things first, I got these little containers. I found all these things at the Dollar General. These are such fun little party things. Whenever I lived in my apartment in Dallas, I used to like to host a lot, and I always would try to go the extra mile to do something kind of fun. So I thought this is kind of in the theme of who I am. I'm pretty extra, so I'm gonna put these things together, and then there'll be like little food baskets for our food. I gotta figure out how to do this though. It's a foldable. And haven't made one of these in a while, so it might take me a minute, and then I still have to cook. But I thought if I did this before I cooked, it would be better because then I could just put the food in versus if it takes a long time and then the food gets cold. Woohoo! Success, and I feel like $1,000,000. So now I just need to put the paper in here, the food, and everything will be good. We're currently setting up our special situation. We're gonna have a table spread so we can just sit here and kind of graze and enjoy ourselves. And oh yeah, I found something kind of fun, which I'll show you in just a few minutes. But for now, I have some work to do, so I gotta get to it. Riley stepped out for just a second. She had to go to the restroom, and in the meantime, I have a lot of surprises. So you guys are along with me, and then when she comes in, we're gonna be like, hi, I have surprises. She knows we're watching the game, but I found these. And these are little koozies. And normally I don't use a lot of koozies because I personally don't drink a lot of adult beverages. I just don't. You know, I think that you need to protect your liver just a little bit better than that. But for football, we can always have a little bit of fun. So I thought these are super cute. And I thought maybe they would work with this new soda that I found. Now, every so often we find different drinks and we try them out here on the channel. And so I found this guy right here. And this is a Christmas edition, which I found, which is like a creamy vanilla. So I'm gonna see if it will fit into this, and if it will, it could be really fun. I just thought, ooh, oh, look how cute it is. So this is gonna be a surprise in itself. I'm gonna put these in just like this, and then I'm gonna give one to Riley, and I'm gonna be like, ooh, I want you to try this and see what she thinks about it, and then we'll reveal what it actually is.
Virginia Tech, Jalen Watson, WSU.
Okay, the game is on. I'm starting to put things together. I put together our snack bag first. This has Gushers, jelly beans, and then also some Jello candies in here. So this should be really good. Okay, it's fry time. Oh, that's a lot of fries. Okay, I'm gonna make enough for us to have a good old basket. Okay, the game just went to commercial, so it's time for me to start our meatballs. I just picked up these meatballs at Winco. They're really good. We don't have to do a whole lot to them. There's a few ways that I can make these. I'm gonna make them the easiest way. I'm gonna throw a little garlic in the pan, a little butter in the pan, put these guys in there, and then also I'm going to put a few little yummy seasonings in there. I might even put some onions in there. If I do though, I need to use the mandolin. I have a little onion that I was using for something the other day. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because I want the meatballs to be the star, but this will help give it a little seasoning and flavor and yumminess. So we just got to kind of work it down, holding on to the top. I also do have an attachment that I can use for this, but I'm not going to use that much onion, so I don't really need it today. Okay, we're going to put a nice little scoop of garlic in there. Throw our onions in here. We're going to put a hefty spoon of butter in here. This could be kind of weird. Here comes the fun part. I have this Stump's hot muffalata. I really like this particular spread because it's really delightful. And when you put it into things, it just brings out so much flavor. So I'm gonna put like 2 spoonfuls of this in here, and then I'm gonna put my frozen meatballs in. Before we do, we're gonna stir this around, and it's starting to get nice. I want the muffalata to cook in with this for a few minutes before I put the meatballs in. You can really use any kind of like olive salad, but the muffalata is better because of the extra stuff that's in there. They have some like carrots and stuff like that in there. So here we go. Woo, right there. Surprise! Oh my God, how Riley, don't eat the candy yet, but we're gonna eat it in just a minute. I gotta get the rest of the stuff ready. We're making meatball sandwiches.
What's this?
That's a surprise.
Oh my god.
That's a surprise.
Look
In
at how
fact,
cute.
you should try that right now.
Should I?
Yes. Don't look. It's a surprise. Yeah, you can open it. I want you to totally try it. I want to see what your face looks like when you try it.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Is it just vanilla Coke?
What do you think it is? Do you think it's vanilla Coke?
It tastes like a vanilla Coke. Like a less vanilla-y vanilla Coke.
Okay.
What is this?
No, you gotta cap it and then pull the sleeve up and then you can see it. Do you love the koozies?
They are so cute.
These are perfect for our
It is so
football.
cute.
We can watch our football and have koozies now.
Oh, I wanted to try this. It's the holiday creamy vanilla.
So yeah, we get to try these out. This is gonna be so fun. Okay, we're getting a good amount of steam going on. And you can see Riley was really excited about that one. So surprise number 1 was good. But now we gotta get our magic meatballs going. Okay, and the frozen meatballs are going in. They're sauteing. I'm going to add this vodka sauce. I'm just going to add like 2 tablespoons of it. I like to use this as a supplemental thing to just add a lot of flavor. And when it cooks into something, it is so good. So here we go. 1 and 2. You know how we talked about Riley don't eat the candy? Apparently, she just snuck a piece. So, I mean, it's my fault. The food's not ready yet, so it is my fault. But we have the fries currently in the oven. We got about 5 more minutes on those. I'm going to put together some Whataburger ketchup because we're from Texas and we represent the Whataburger. We already have the drinks out. We have the candy out. We're going to do a fry basket. Each of us is going to have our own meatball sandwich. I need to toast the buns just a little bit, but I don't want to put them in the toaster because they're kind of big. So I think I'm going to have to pull out another pan to do that. Put a tiny bit of something on there to toast them and get them nice and crispy. So we're gonna stir. And then I'm probably going to add a little bit of liquid to this and then just simmer these down just a little bit. We have our baby cup here and we're just gonna add a little bit of liquid, just a little bit, just enough to make it nice and good. Meantime, I also found these little dish towels and they were on super sale. So I got 2 of these, which I figure can be kind of like our placemats. This is the sauce I was talking about. It's a garlic parmesan aioli and it is so good. And we're gonna use that on our little meatball sandwiches today. So this should be quite tasty. We got our buns on with a little bit of butter, just getting them all ready. The meatballs are looking good and almost done. The fries I took out, I put them back in for 2 more minutes. They should be ready. I have my ketchup ready to go. My fancy Whataburger ketchup. I'm gonna shake it so it goes down because I stored it like this instead of like this. Oops. So I need to put this in like a little something. Okay. Just trying to make sure we're doing good. I don't have this turned up super high because I wanted it to kind of toast the buns slowly so it didn't burn them. And now it's time for me to get the fries. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Time to use my little stirring spoon over here. Stir around all of our meatballs. So Riley and I are going to share 1 basket of fries so I can put all the basket together. Check that out. Doesn't that look good? Ooh, I'm excited. This is perfect. Football, what? Okay, let's see if our buns are done. It should be. Oh, yeah, we're getting there. Definitely feels a little bit more toasty. Not quite though, not quite. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this up just because they're not quite done yet. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the toasting because they've cooked nicely. They're nice and cozy all the way around now. So it's not just like the bottom part is done and then the top part is still like weird. And now it's time for us to build our flavors. We're gonna start off with our aioli on the bottom. Whoop, that was a little extra there. It must have had a little pressure. Don't worry, it's fine. Let me go clean my hands. So a thin layer of the aioli on the bottom on each of these. And then I'm going to be using some of this. Normally I would use a different kind of cheese, but I kind of like the flavor profile of these 2 things together. They're so good. So I'm going to add a tiny sprinkle of this. And then I will be adding the meatballs. And then I'll go over with both of these again. So this is super yummy. It should be super good. And it's going to be super messy. So we'll see what happens. Okay, meatball time. And the only thing about meatballs is you really have to like work with them. And sometimes they don't want to work with you. So I'm trying to make sure that I get enough of the meatball and onion in each bite, but also where it's still a manageable amount. So it's looking like these are trying to roll away. That's what happens with meatballs. Now it's time for the aioli again on the top here. And just a little bit, sprinkle it on there. Woohoo, like that. We're gonna add some cheese, the top bun, and then it's ready to go. Okay, we're all set. And the game's going strong now. So looks like we have a good spread. Should be fun. Next surprise was, since we like to watch football, I found these football socks for us. They're so cute.
What they've done on the field, what happened on the sideline after
part of the reason why they wanted to
Food
be.
is here. We're all good. We have our surprises. We have all the things. We are good to go for the remainder of the game, and they just went to a timeout, so this is a perfect time for me to actually try the soda. I get to try it. We already know what it is now. It is the special holiday Coke. It's just something kind of fun for me and Riley. So cheers, my friend.
Cheers!
Ooh, it is. I took a big drink. That was a lot. It was very carbonated, but ooh.
I was gonna say the carbonation kicked me too.
Yeah, but the vanilla is very good.
Delicious!
It's kind of like whenever you make those soda fountain drinks and you get to put your own vanilla in them. I should have gotten something for our decor so that when we see a penalty, we could throw a flag. Wait, I might have something for that. Okay, so these aren't flags, but they're kind of the color of flags, but these are just microfiber cloths, and they work just fine. So Riley, the game is back on, which means that it's time. It's time.
It's
For
time
us to watch and enjoy
and eat.
And I think it's going to be really, really tasty. We're going to try a bite in just a few minutes. We're going to dim down the lights a little bit because I like to watch my game with all of the cool lights going on. So I'll show you what that looks like. But for now, flag on the field. Flag on the field.
And Chris, KCS at the 41.
We just got to witness some craziness. So I'm going to ask Riley what her favorite touchdown dance is. Hey, Riley, I just muted the TV because I'm asking you, what is your touchdown dance? Riley got a touchdown! So thank you guys for coming along. We are having such a good time. We're gonna finish up this game and we're going to have just a really good dinner tonight. Thank you again, once more, for enjoying coming through the entirety of the journey. I'm rounding up 9 years of travel at this point, and I'm so excited because I'm about to be getting on the road again. And Riley's just kind of helping me with a few of those details while she's here. So this is gonna be super, super fun, and I've got some things up my sleeve for you. But hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Oh. Okay, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.